Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an insufficient video memory error in inZOI. The first thing you want to make sure of your GPU, are you using an integrated graphics card? If you are, it may struggle, but even then we might be able to find a workaround. Okay, the step number 2 is to increase virtual memory. How do you do that? Go to search, type in run. From here, type in sysdm.cpl and hit enter, and system properties will come up. Go to the advanced tab, and from here go under the performance tab and click on settings. In the new window, go to advanced tab once again, and here you're gonna see something called virtual memory. Click on the change button. So what you want to do is unclick automatically managing pages, blah blah blah. Unclick this if it is checked, and then you want to set the custom size right here. So basically, the initial size you want to set 1.5 times your RAM in megabytes in MB, and your maximum size about 3 times your megabytes in MD. For example, if you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, you want to set this to basically 12,000, so 1.5 times, and then your maximum size, again, if you have 8 gigabytes RAM, would be 24,000. It's a little bit confusing, so 1.5 or 3 times your RAM, and then click OK, and then restart your PC. Okay, that should fix it, but if it didn't, move on to step number 3. Close a background application, so open Task Manager. You can type in Task Manager here, or you can type in press Control Shift and Escape, of course. You can edit, so end heavy memory apps like Chrome, OBS, etc. before launching the game. Just search by memory, or sort by memory I should say. Just right click and say End Task. For this one, End Task. I'm using half my memory right now, just doing nothing. Write client, for example, and then launch the game one more time to see if that fixes the issue. Okay, step number 4, you want to force a DirectX 11 in the game. How do you do that? Open up the game under properties, right click on the game's title and properties, go to launch options, type in DX11 right here, and then close the window and try launching the game once again. Okay, and by the way, this works because DirectX 11 takes a lot less memory than DirectX 12. Of course, you want to update your graphics driver. If you don't have the NVIDIA app, download the NVIDIA app. It's free. Go to drivers and click on install the newest drivers. It will tell you when there is a new driver that needs to be installed. And if you are using integrated graphics or something like that, you want to, or if you're using Intel HD graphics, I should say, you want to increase the VRAM allocation. How do you do that? You restart your PC, enter the BIOS, usually an F10, F2, or delete, find graphics settings or advanced chipset features depending on your BIOS. Look for DVMT pre-allocated or similar and set the maximum available. Then, for example, 1024 megabytes, save and exit the BIOS, then try the game once again and see if that fixes your issue. If it did, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Have a nice day.